Buying a home is such an exciting milestone, but it's also one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Planning ahead is crucial to avoiding surprises along the way.
That's why we're here to break it all down for you. Today we're covering everything you need to save for buying a home, from the obvious costs like a down payment to the hidden ones like insurance and warranties. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most talked about cost, the down payment. This is the amount you pay upfront towards the purchase of the home, and it's typically the largest expense you're going to face.
And how much do you need? It depends on your loan type. For example, FHA loans require as little as 3.5% down, great for first-time homebuyers. Conventional loans typically require 5 to 20% depending on your financial profile, and VA and USD loans, these can even offer 0% down if you qualify.
To put it in perspective, for a $500,000 home, a 3.5% down payment would be $17,500, while 20% would be $100,000. The more you save, the less you'll need to borrow, and that can mean a lower monthly mortgage payment.
And here's an important note. If your down payment is less than 20%, most lenders require you pay the private mortgage insurance, or PMI. That's an added cost to keep in mind while budgeting.
Next, the Earnest money deposit, or EMD. This is a deposit you make when your offer is accepted to show the seller you're serious about purchasing their home.
Think of this as a good faith gesture. It's typically 1 to 3% of the purchase price. For a $500,000 home, that's $2,500 to $10,000.
The good news, if the sale goes through, this money is applied towards your down payment or closing costs. But if you back out of the deal without a valid reason, the seller may keep that Earnest money deposit.
Now let's talk about those closing costs. These are fees and expenses you'll pay to finalize your mortgage and officially take ownership of that home.
Closing costs typically range from 1.5% to 3% of the home's purchase price and can include things such as the appraisal fee, title insurance, escrow fees, attorney fees, prepaid property taxes and insurance, and that's just to name a few.
For a $500,000 home, that could be from $10,000 to $25,000 in additional costs roughly. The good news, in some cases, sellers may agree to cover part or all of your closing costs through seller concessions. It's worth discussing with your agent.
Another must-have expense is homeowners insurance. Lenders require this to protect your home and their investment from unexpected damage and disasters.
Homeowner insurance typically costs between $1,200 and $2,500 per year, depending on the size, location, and the value of your home.
If you're buying in areas like Northern Nevada, you might also need additional coverage, such as wildfire insurance if your home is in near the high-risk areas, or flood insurance for homes that are in flood-prone zones.
And it's ultra important to shop around for the best rates and make sure your policy meets both your lender requirements and your peace of mind.
Now let's talk about something optional but highly recommended, a home warranty.
A home warranty is a service contract that helps cover the cost of repairing and replacing any major systems and appliances in your home, like HVAC, water heater, kitchen appliances, if they break down after you move in.
The cost for a home warranty is typically between $600 and $900 a year, depending on the coverage. Some sellers even will offer it as a perk during negotiations. It's a great way to avoid unexpected repair costs in your first year of home ownership.
Once you've closed on your home, you need to budget for moving expenses. These can widely vary depending on how far you're moving and whether you're hiring professional movers.
Don't forget to factor in costs like rental truck or movers, utility setup fees, new furniture or decor, small repairs, and even updates to your new home.
For a local move, you might spend a few $100. For a long distance move, it could be thousands and thousands of dollars. Planning ahead can help you avoid any surprises. And the most important thing is getting the right agent and right team around you and the right mover to give you the right information so there's no nightmares involved with those surprises.
As a homeowner, it's also crucial to have an emergency fund. Owning a home means you're responsible for all the repairs and maintenance.
We recommend doing your best to save 1 to 3% of your home's value each year for maintenance. On a $500,000 home, that's $5,000 to $15,000 annually.
And don't forget about unexpected emergencies like a leaking roof or a broken furnace. Having a separate fund for these expenses can give you peace of mind. Buying a home is a big financial commitment, but knowing what to save for can make the process much smoother. From your down payment to closing costs, insurance, and more, having a clear plan is the key to success.
And remember, you don't have to figure it all on your own. We're here to help you every step of the way, from creating a saving strategy to finding and closing on your dream home.
If you're thinking about buying a home and want a personalized breakdown of costs, let's connect. Together, we'll make sure you're prepared for every step of your journey to homeownership.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next time.
For all your real estate news, local market updates, and Northern Nevada lifestyle and events, check us out on all your favorite socials.
Make sure you ring that bell, turn on notifications, and put a comment in there. What's the most daunting part of getting ready to buy a home for you?
We're Amy and Billy Boylan with eXp Realty. Make the Boylan team your team.
We love what we do.
You will too.